Hello, students! Welcome to our classroom. So, we just completed our lesson about numbers, and it's time to move on to lesson number 6, which is about parts of the body. Yeah, parts of our body. Can we say parts of the body? Can we say parts? Good. Of the body. 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 身体。身体。用中文说身体，英文是 body。Body. Parts of the body. Good. Okay, so today I have my friend here with us. Can we say hello? Hello. This is my friend Lily. This is Lily. Can you say hello? Hello, Lily. Good. Hello. Yeah. Hi. My friend. My friend is going to help us talk about the parts of the body. Yeah. Cool. So let's start talking about the parts of the body. So our friend Lily is going to be here to help us. So let's just do a quick overview of parts of the body. Okay. So these are Lily's feet. Feet. These are Lily's legs. Legs. This is Lily's belly or stomach. Stomach. This is Lily's head. Lily's head. Pat her on the head. Good, Lily. These are Lily's arms. Yeah. And Lily doesn't have hands, but these are our hands. Hands. Good. So first, head. Head. Can you say head? Good. Head. Good. One more time. This is Lily's head. Good. Head. Head. Little girl's head and a boy's head and a baby's head. Everyone has a head, right? Lily has a head. Good. Head. Good. Next up, we have arm. Arm. Good. Can you say arm? Good. Arm. Yeah. Good. So, if we just have one arm, just one arm, Just one. We say arm. Arm. Can we say one arm? Good. Just one arm. But if we have two arms, two arms, we say arms. Ah, we hear an S at the end for arms. Can we say arms? Good. Arms. Good. Two arms. Lily's two arms. Two arms. Can we say two arms? Good. Two arms. Lily has two arms. I have two arms. Two arms. Good. Hands. Students, can you show me your hands? I want to see your hands. Oh, look at those hands. Oh, good job, students. Show me your hands. We have two hands. Yeah, we have two hands. What about one? Just one hand. One hand. Good. Can we say one hand? Can we say one hand? Good. One hand. And two hands. Good. Two hands. Hands. Lily doesn't have hands. That's okay. We have hands. We have two hands. Good. Oh, stomach. Stomach. Or sometimes we say belly. Belly. Can we look at Lily's belly? Oh, Lily's belly. Can we say belly? Good. Belly. Yeah. Belly. Lily's belly. Oh, we rub her belly. I think what is wrong with our friend here? I think our friend here is feeling kind of sick. It looks like her belly hurts. Oh, her belly hurts. Lily, does your belly hurt? Can we say my belly hurts? Oh, can we say my belly hurts? Oh, my belly hurts. Good. Yeah. Legs. Legs. Lily, she walks and she walks on her legs. Her legs. Her legs. So if we have just one leg, can we say one leg? Good. Can we say 2 legs? 2 legs, leg. 2 legs. Good. Let me hear. 2 legs. Good. 2 legs. Okay, so together, let's fill in the blanks here according to what we see. So let's see. Oh, whoops. So feet. Lily's feet. Oh, tickle, feet. Oh, yeah. So can we say, so this one's a little bit different. If we have 1 foot, just 1 foot, we're going to say foot. Can you say foot? Foot. Good. And if we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 feet, we're going to say feet. Can you say feet? Good. One more time. Feet. Yeah. 2 feet. 1 foot. Good. Okay, so now let's together label the parts of the body on our friend here. So let's start at the top. First, we have our head. Good. Head. First, we have our H-E-A-D, head. Yeah. And we can talk about this one more, but face. Face. That's a new one. Face. Good. Let's keep moving to our arm. Good. Arm. And we were rubbing Lily's belly. Hurt. Her belly. Yeah. And we saw Lily's leg. Good. Leg. And Lily has 2. 1, 2, 1, 2 feet. Good. 2 feet. And Lily doesn't have any hands. Right? Lily doesn't have any hands. So let's quickly go over Lily's head. Lily's face. Good. Repeat after me. Arms. Legs. And feet. 1, 2, 1, 2 feet. Good. Good job today, students. We'll talk more about the body parts next class. And have a wonderful day. I will see you next class. Bye-bye. Bye.